In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Airbnb Business UK. To get started, head over to the Airbnb website or open the Airbnb app. If you already have an account, sign in as normal. If not, go ahead and create a new account first. Once you're in, look for the option that says Airbnb your home or become a host. This is where the hosting setup begins. Next, you'll create your listing. Start by entering your property's address carefully, since this helps Airbnb identify the location correctly and show it to the right guests. After that, choose the property type that best matches your space. You'll then be asked to add key details, such as how many guests the property can accommodate, how many bedrooms it has, and what amenities are available. Be as accurate as possible here, because these details help guests know exactly what to expect. You'll also need to upload high-quality photos. Clear, well-lit images can make a big difference, so it's worth taking your time with this part. After the photos, set your nightly price and update your availability so guests can see when the property can be booked. During the setup process, Airbnb will ask whether you are hosting as an individual or as a business. If you're operating through a company as a sole trader in a partnership, or if hosting is part of your main business activity, choose business. This matters because Airbnb uses that information for regulatory and consumer protection reasons, especially in the UK. Once you select business hosting, enter your business details. This usually includes your legal business name, business address, business email, business phone number, business registration number if you have one, and your VAT number if it applies to you. Airbnb may check these details against public records, or it may ask you to upload documents to confirm the information. After that, complete identity verification. You'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID and go through any required Know Your Customer verification steps. Then wait for Airbnb to review and verify your identity and business information. When that's done, set up your payouts by going to Account, then Payments and Payouts. Add your preferred payout method, such as a UK bank account, and verify the payout details so you can receive your earnings without delays. You should also add your tax information. Open account, then taxes, and fill in any required tax details, including your VAT number if applicable. Save your changes once everything is entered correctly. Finally, review your listing carefully, double-check all the details, confirm your pricing and availability, and when everything looks right, click Publish to make your listing live. Once published, your Airbnb business setup in the UK is complete.